I am on my way down to this town called Proserpine, also known as Prozzy, which if you're Australian that means something else, involving ladies of the night. Proserpine is where Pearl has been laid to rest. Oh, it's dark. No, where Pearl has been stowed. She's got some new shoes, and we're gonna go check her out, pay the bill with Dave, say hi to the fine folks there. Yeah, we'll connect with those guys back in Prossie. The MC Classics in the Whitsundays Motorcycle Supply Company is where I left Pearl. She was well looked after by good dudes that are part of the family of motorcyclists, the brotherhood, the sisterhood, just people that look after other bikers, great humans. And I don't know if I'll ever get back there. I would like to. If I ever do get back to the Whitsundays, I'm stopping in to say hey. This motorcyclist right here is Jeff Wilson, the father to my friend Nina Wilson, also known as the Crew Chef on YouTube. We're looking for platypus. Platypus. Platypuses. We're looking for platypuses. Platypus. Platypus. Look at you. The weirdest animal on the planet. Beautiful. Beautiful. I bought Pearl with 3,300 miles on her. Now she has just crossed, today, in this video, 90,000 miles. Having lots of fun. Now we're talking. Silly cows. Whoa. Easy, young blood. It was my birthday. I have turned 48 years old. And Darren took me out amongst Airlie Beach and we had a raucous good time. Met a lot of people and just generally ran amok like hooligans. Yesterday was a very bizarre day. Up at 5. Packing, getting ready, had a lovely breakfast with Jill, said goodbye to her, and we called Jeff, so had a fun farewell to the two of them, half over the phone, and then weather was brilliant, and then it was not. I had diarrhea. I had to make an emergency stop. I had to take my clothes off. Shit got real. Nothing helps diarrhea like a Red Bull. Aussies do walk barefoot a lot in their country, including on the ground in gas stations and inside the store. Alright, let's do the first voyage of a drone that we haven't named yet. New addition to the fam. Clever name suggestions in the comments. Maybe something from Star Wars. Something like this. Oh, we're down. Happy lunchtime is over. The wind, she is a-coming. I think one drone crash is enough for today. Well, less than 2 hours to Yeppoon. I'm gonna stay up in Yeppoon tonight. It's time to Get up out of here. There was a cool part. I think it's cool because I haven't done it in a while and it all feels familiar. But there was hefty rain and hefty wind at the same time. And I haven't had that in, who knows, I'm not gonna make up a number, I don't remember when. But I've been through that before. And some of you guys are gonna say, oh, stay safe. Yeah, it's just, I get that too, but I can't really just pull over. And I am safe. It doesn't look it, but something bad could happen, of course. But I'm also really experienced in that kind of weather. It's like hard-won knowledge. That shit sucks. But yeah, it's actually it's not so bad. Bike is reasonably waterproof. I'm not. This is so I stayed in Emu Park is what it's called. To be honest, I expected more emus parked. Don't see any emu. The general plan for today is to ride here, Kinka Palms Hotel, next to Emu Park. We'll ride to Noosa to stay with Adele and with Vaughn, and then to start preparing for Fraser Island, which is going to be pretty epic. The weather's good now, incredibly good. It wasn't yesterday, so let's see how we go today. Two coffees to start the day. Two sweet chili chicken wraps. Oh yeah. If you're starting your day like this, you're living right. So hungry.
Some of you may notice my cell phone on my handlebars. This is where I access Google Maps. This is how I get around the world, believe it or not. And I have to take my fucking glove off to do it.
Fraser Island. Definitely not putting my penis in there. Someone in a really dumb car got stuck. Vacay lifestyle.